Welcome to Gosforth Park Fulfillment Centre.
This 75,000 square meter facility houses our Fulfill by Makro operations. Let's go take a look. Our receiving process ensures your products are meticulously checked and placed into inventory. A warehouse identification labeling system ensures we can trace every product to their seller. We aim for a 12-hour SLA from receiving to put away, including alerting sellers on any quality rejections, which may be issues with labeling or damages. Warehouse reach trucks, pallet jacks, and gas clamps ensure your products are stored safely and efficiently. The FBM storage facility spans 4 floors and has over 40,000 storage locations, including a high-value access control storage cage. We aim to pick and pack orders ready for dispatch within 8 hours. Our pickers make use of the latest scanners, which shows a picture of what they are picking to reduce any missed picks. The packing stations are equipped with our customized branded packaging materials, ensuring your products are packed in a safe and secure manner. Once collected from our dispatch area, our couriers aim to deliver customer orders within 2 business days, currently for Gauteng. Fulfill by Makro is fully operational and ready for your business.